Hello. In this figure, we have two quarter circles with the center at point O. The radius of the larger quarter circle is 15 units, and the radius of the smaller quarter circle is 7 units. The angle AOC measures 75 degrees, and AO is parallel to BC. We need to find the area of the yellow region. As you see, this area is between these two quarter circles. To find this area, we will need to divide this figure into smaller and more recognizable geometric shapes. For example, if we connect the points B and O, now we have a sector AOB and a triangle BOC. Now, if we could find the area of these two figures and add them together, that will give us the area of this shape. And if we subtract the area of this sector, then we will get the area of the yellow region. So let this point be point D. Then we will write that the yellow area equals the area of the sector AOB plus the area of the triangle BOC minus the area of the sector DOC. So let's start by finding the area of the sector AOB. The formula for the area of a sector is angle theta over 360 degrees multiplied by pi and multiplied by the radius squared. So as you see, to find the area, we need the radius, and the radius is 15 units, but we don't know the angle. So first we will need to find the angle AOB. And for this, from the points C and B, we will draw perpendiculars down to AO. Then this will be point E and this one F. Now in the right triangle CEO, we know that the angle EOC is 75 degrees and the hypotenuse CO is 7 units. Then we will use the sine function to find the side CE. So we will write that sine of 75 degrees equals the opposite side CE divided by the hypotenuse 7. Then if we multiply both sides by 7, we will have CE equals 7 times sine of 75 degrees. Then if we use the calculator in degree mode, we will get that CE is approximately 6.7615. And now because CE is the same as BF, we will write that BF is also 6.7615. Now let's take a look at the triangle BFO. In this triangle, we know the side BF, and we know that the hypotenuse is 15 units because this is the radius. Then we can use the sine function to find the angle FOB. So we will write that sine of the angle FOB equals the opposite side, which is 6.7615 divided by the hypotenuse 15. Then the angle FOB equals inverse sine of 6.7615 over 15. Then again, if we use the calculator in degree mode, we will get that the angle FOB is approximately 26.79 degrees. And now, because the angle FOB is the same as the angle AOB, then we can write that the angle AOB is also 26.79 degrees. And now, once we know the angle, we can find the area of the sector AOB. Using this formula, we will write that the area equals 26.79 degrees over 360 degrees times pi and times 15 squared. And this is approximately 52.6020 square units. So what we have so far is the area of the sector AOB. Next, let's find the area of the triangle BOC. So far, in this triangle, we know that the side BO is 15 units and CO is 7 units. We can also find this angle by subtracting 26.79 from 75. So the angle BOC equals 75 degrees minus 26.79, and this equals 48.21. So now in this triangle we know two sides and the included angle. Then the formula for the area of a triangle given two sides and the included angle is 1/2 times one side times another side times sine of the included angle. So then the area of the triangle BOC equals 1/2 times 15 times 7 times sine of 48.21 degrees. Then this area is approximately 39.1436 square units. So now we have the area of the triangle BOC. Now let's find the area of the sector DOC. And for this, again, we will need the formula for the area of a sector. In this formula, theta is 75 degrees because the angle DOC is 75 degrees and the radius is 7 units. Then the area equals 75 degrees over 360 degrees multiplied by pi and multiplied by 7 squared. This is approximately 32.0704 square units. So now we have the area of the sector DOC. And now to find the area of the yellow region, we will add these two numbers and subtract the last one. Then the area of the yellow region is 59.6752 square units. If you liked this video, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching.